Hi, this is Nick from Team LunaDome, and this is our vlog for week 10 of the Lab2Moon competition. This week has been challenging but rewarding in many ways. So we were looking at starting to machine our parts this week, but had lots of setbacks in doing so. So we got all our CAD parts, we produced all the drawings we needed to. We headed up to Bath University to get our parts machined, but due to unforeseen circumstances, we weren't able to start any machining at all. Had some great advice from the guys at uni though. We had some great help with sorting out some of our parts to make them more machinable. There were some parts which were a little bit questionable as to whether they could actually be machined. So there's a bit of redesign, especially as now we were unable to use the CNC machines, so we had to move towards more 3D printed parts or manually turned parts. So that involved a bit of a hurdle to overcome there, but I think we've overcome it. We're moving into actually starting to look at machine parts this week, hopefully having all our parts ready by the end of this week to start assembly ready for the review on the 6th of February. That's where we're at. It's been a lot of work just to get all that sorted, get all the challenges overcome, and it's been rewarding, and we've learnt a lot about how to design for machinability and things like that. Yeah, thanks. Well, moving into the next week, actually, as I said, we're going to be looking at assembling our final assembly using the parts we're looking to machine this week, hopefully. So until then, see you next week, hopefully with some machine parts. Cheers.